Step 1. Go to the registration page at www.geotimecard.com. Click on the Sign Up button at top of the page. First, create an administrative account using an email and password. An administrative account is the main account for your company. Full address information is required for the company account. Here you can create accounts for employees, managers, supervisors as well as billing information to be used in this account. Activate account via email. An email confirmation will be sent from our server. Look for it in your inbox or junk mail section and open it. In the email is an activation button, just click on the button. If you have any issues with the activation, send us an email to support@geotimecard.com. Step 2. Account verification. After clicking on the link, you will be directed to the GeoTimeCard page which prompts you to log in using your email address and password you created in Step 1. Step 3. Adding a user. After the login, you will see a menu on the left side of the site. Click the user icon on the left and choose Add New Users. Now enter the user information in the Add User screen. Add all the information for that user and once finished, click Add User on the lower right side of the page. After creating the new user, that individual will receive an automated email from the system on how to download the mobile app. Again, the email will either be in the inbox or junk mail folder. Be sure to check both locations. Important tips: SMS user feature. For employees with a cellular device that is not a smartphone or cannot download the mobile app, you can enable the SMS/mobile text feature. This enables you to track these employees when they clock in or out by using a text message. This feature is only available under our custom package. Do not track geographic location. With our geofencing feature, all users are tracked only at the location specified when setting up a project location. This means the user can only clock in at the project location. If the user leaves the project location and does not clock out, the mobile application will automatically log the user out. If not to track geolocation is enabled, this will disable the project geofencing and the user will not be tracked. All automatic functions of the mobile app will be disabled. This option is good for tracking of time only and is ideal for managers and supervisors. To further understand user setup and permissions, please go to www.geotimecard.com and download the Getting Started document. Step 4. Setting up projects. Again, on the main page with the menu on the left, click on the Manage Projects button. On this screen you can add your projects. When you input the address, be sure to enter the complete project address and verify the geolocation on the map displayed next to the address. Data should automatically populate in the Address 1, City, State, Latitude and Longitude sections. Important note that the longitude and latitude is needed for each location. This applies to the home address as well as each project address. In case you do not see the longitude and latitude, go to www.google.com/maps, and copy-paste your complete physical address. It should give you the longitude and latitude that you can manually enter into the GeoTimeCard system. Once all the data is entered, click the Add Project button, located in the navigation menu on the lower right side of the page. On this screen you can also deactivate a project. Just use the drop-down menu under Status and choose Inactive. By doing this you will not see the project under your main dashboard. Step 5. Allocate users to a project. On the main dashboard, go to the Manage Project Allocation button on the left side menu of the page. On the Project Allocation page, you will see Projects. Hover over this button and the drop-down will appear. Choose the specific project, then select month and year. Days are shown as a green button in front of each user. To allocate a user to a project, hover over the display button in front of each user and click it. It will change to red. This means the project is now allocated to this user. In case you want to remove someone from the project, then simply click on the display button in front of their name and the color will change to green, which means not allocated to this project and are available to be allocated to any other project. Make sure to hit Save once you have completed the project allocation. This needs to be done for all your projects, one by one, using the Save button after each project allocated. Do not change the project without saving, otherwise all the user selection data will be lost and you will have to restart. Step 6. Viewing projects. Go to the dashboard to view all the projects. The dashboard is set up as a single-pane view of all important information. The dashboard is by default the landing page of the GeoTimeCard portal and will automatically refresh every 5 minutes. There is a clock featured at the top, center of the page which displays the local time and date from the device you use to log in. This means if the device you use to access the GeoTimeCard portal is in London, that is the time and date which displays on the clock. The dashboard offers one view for all the projects. The options are project name, project type, project percentage complete, project status. If you want to get more in-depth information on a project, you can click on a project name. Here you will find all your projects listed. Click on Project Listed. At the top right is the address of the project. At the top you will see categories listing information. User ID is all the users who are allocated under this project. Time checked in today displays when the user clocked in today at this particular project. Time checked out today is when the user clocked out of this project or went outside of the geofenced area. EST hours shows the hours allocated to the project. Used hours is the total hours completed by the user thus far. OT1 is for overtime 1 which is over 8 hours but less than or equal to 12 which is the cutoff. OT2 is for overtime 2 which is over 12 hours. Project percent complete shows the percentage of the project having been completed by the user. This is a very useful column, as it shows you the efficiency of your employees. At the bottom of the screen you will see similar to what you see on the dashboard. Project name is the project name you entered. Project type is what do you want the project to bill for. For example, if the project is hourly or fixed cost. EST hours is estimated hours. This column shows total hours allocated for the project. Used hours, total hours used so far until yesterday midnight. Cutoff is midnight yesterday. Remaining hours, hours remaining until yesterday cutoff. Project percent complete, what percentage the project is complete. Project status, on time is displayed as green. Orange means delayed and red means project is late. If all the allocated users are clock in, this will automatically change to green. In case only few users clocked in, the status will change to orange. In case no one clocked in, and then the status will be displayed red. OT1 is overtime 1 which is over 8 hours but less than or equal to 12. OT2 is overtime 2 which is over 12 hours. Total EMP allocated today, this is total employees allocated to the project. Actual EMP clocked in today, this is total employees clocked in today. EMP short today, shows employees short today. Due date, is the due date of the project. Also, if you see on the top right of the page you will see Send Message button. A quick email or test message can be sent to each user by clicking on this button. In case the user is configured with SMS, they will then get SMS message. To send message, click on red Send Message button on top right. Once the Send Message button is clicked, it will then reload the page and you will get the message window to type in the message. The message window will display message as select user first and then enter message. Select the user you want to send message by selecting the button all the way right side of the user. Once you have selected all the users you want to send message, then type in the message and hit Send button. Step 7. Our system also allows you to bulk upload users and projects. Bulk upload user. In case you want to add bulk users, then go to Manage User button on the left pane of the page, and select button labeled Upload Users via CSV. Download the sample CSV file. Enter in all details of your employees and upload. Do not change the format or any column in the sample CSV file, otherwise the upload will generate errors. Bulk upload projects. In case you want to add bulk projects, then go to Manage Project button on the left pane of the page and choose Upload Project via CSV. Download the CSV file, enter in project information and upload. Do not change the format or any columns in the CSV file. Downloads. Download time card for payroll for a single project. Go to Project Drill Down and click on red button Download as CSV on the top left side of the page, right under Project Address. Employee Historical Data for Payroll. Go to left pane of the portal and select Attendance and choose Attendance History button. Data here can be selected using criteria like project name, date or date range. Attendance History page displays all the historical data. You can filter using employees, projects or data range or all. Once you are done with your selection, click on Search button and the page will refresh with all the data. At this time you will also see the green Download CSV button right below Search button. We do not delete any data, so this data will be available even after you download the CSV. Thank you. You can always email us at support@icecloud.com.